Imagine that if you have an iPhone with Type-C port, AirPods with Lightning port, and an Apple Watch, but you only have a 20-watt charger, the charging experience would be a disaster. Now, MagGo helps Apple solve this problem. Apple pushed out the iOS 17.2 update. In this update, Apple has done a good job. Now, not just the iPhone 15 series, iPhone 14 and 13 series can support the latest Qi 2 wireless charging protocol. Qi 2? Simply put, Qi 2 is a new open wireless charging standard introduced by the Wireless Charging Alliance, and Apple actually participated in the development of the Qi 2 standard. In real life, if you use a Qi 2 wireless charger, Apple devices can get almost the same magnetic experience and charging speed as MagSafe. So today I got the latest Qi 2 wireless charger from Anker, the Anker MagGo wireless charging station. This charger supports the latest Qi 2 wireless charging protocol, so it can charge iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods at the same time, and it even has a foldable design. First, the unboxing. MagGo's package is full of specs and product highlights. Of course, the most attractive thing is the Qi 2 logo there. Now, in the package, besides the foldable wireless charger, there's a 1.5 meter C2C cable and a 40-watt USB charger. When I first got my hands on it, I must say that it is smaller than I expected. I've also used other 3-in-1 wireless chargers, but the MagGo has a much smaller size. At the same time, it's more refined than I expected. The combination of plastic, metal, and rubber is excellent. Overall, the MagGo wireless charger has a rectangular shape, and to have a better understanding of the thickness, there we have the iPhone 15 Pro for comparison. Now you have a better idea of this device. The MagGo wireless charger weighs 194 grams. We're using the Type-C charger and the cable, it weighs 289 grams. It's travel friendly. When taking the MagGo outside, it only takes up a small amount of space in my backpack. Now let's talk about some details. The MagGo wireless charger can be flipped up to 60 degrees max and offers just the right amount of resistance to keep this charger stable at almost any angle. In terms of magnet, MagGo is like completely designed for iPhones. So no matter what angle it holds, the iPhone can stick quite tightly to it. So compared to those wireless chargers that are placed horizontally on the desk, MagGo can also be used as a cell phone stand. There are 4 rubber feet at the bottom, so it has a very good stability when used on any surface. There's a Type-C input port and indicator light on the right side of the charger, and when paired up with the cable included in the package, you get a neat desktop. The MagGo is fully compatible with Apple's MagSafe charger. The charging speeds are almost identical, and the power can reach 15 watts when charging an iPhone. When testing with the iPhone 15 Pro, the ammeter showed more than 15 watts. Compared to some of the magnetic chargers on the market that only have 7.5 watt charging power, the MagGo doubles it. I also did some tests on the charging speed. It can charge 20% in 15 minutes, and it takes about 130 minutes to fully charge the battery. It's also worth noting that the charger is officially certified by Made for Apple Watch. It can reach a peak power of 5 watts, which is the same as official Apple charger. Similarly, when charging the AirPods, it can reach a peak power of 2.9 watts. I also tested the 40-watt USB-C charger included in the package, and in terms of protocol support, there is no doubt that this charger is designed for Apple devices. And the ripple performance when fully loaded is also very good. It is only 50 millivolts. Compared to the 100 millivolts of the Apple's 20-watt USB-C charger, this Anker charger is clearly better. It's also worth noting that since this is a 40-watt charger, it can charge the MacBook Air series, which is one of the reasons I like MagGo. Of course, besides the faster charging speed, I am more concerned about the temperature when charging. So I also did a stress test using the MagGo to charge the iPhone, AirPods, and the watch at the same time. And after 1 hour, the temperature is very moderate in portable wireless chargers. Obviously, the MagGo's heat dissipation design reduces temperature effectively. For those who have more than one Apple device, the 3-in-1 charger does make it easier to manage power. And most importantly, the Anker MagGo is portable. Carrying such a small guy doesn't put any burden on my backpack, and I also tried to power up the MagGo with a power bank, and it was achievable. So it's pretty much the most convenient multi-device charging solution for Apple users. No doubt it will be added to my EDC list. Lastly, I also tried to charge my Android phone with this Apple certified wireless charger. It works, but the power isn't that high. Android users should go for the official charger. So it's Anker MagGo wireless charging station review. Hope you like it. This is Will from Gizmochina. See you next time.